The Haber process by KayScience.com. The Haber process can be summarized by the word equation nitrogen reacting with hydrogen to form ammonia in a reversible reaction. And this is the balanced symbol equation, which you need to know. The air is made up of 78% nitrogen, so the raw material for nitrogen is air. This diagram represents how there is air all around us, and within that air there is 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 0.04% carbon dioxide. So because there is so much nitrogen in the air, it makes sense the raw material for nitrogen is air, and the raw material for hydrogen is natural gas. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So here I'm drawing the compressor, and it's the compressor where hydrogen and nitrogen flow into. In the compressor, the hydrogen and nitrogen gases are compressed to 200 atmospheres and are heated to 450 degrees Celsius. So you need to be able to remember the pressure is 200 atmospheres and the temperature is 450 degrees Celsius. The hydrogen and nitrogen gases then flow into the reaction vessel. The reaction vessel contains beds of an ion catalyst, represented by the chemical symbol Fe. The ion catalyst lowers the activation energy, speeding up the rate of reaction by providing an alternative reaction pathway. It's in the reaction vessel where the nitrogen and hydrogen react to form ammonia in a reversible reaction. The hydrogen, nitrogen, and ammonia then flow into the cooling chamber. So this is the cooling chamber where we now have nitrogen, hydrogen, and ammonia. The mixture is cooled, and the NH3 ammonia condenses, changing into a liquid from a gas. So the NH3 is cooled, condenses, and liquefies, where it is then separated. However, because this is a reversible reaction, we still have unreacted nitrogen and hydrogen when the ammonia is removed. Therefore, the unreacted hydrogen and nitrogen are recycled back into the reacting mixture. So to make sure no nitrogen and hydrogen are wasted, unreacted hydrogen and nitrogen are recycled back into the reacting mixture. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.